Hello，你好，我是 Harris。我接下来帮你会说 hammer。If we here say hammer, that is number. Hammer 小 g, that means number. That means phone number. Hammer 小 g is phone number. So if you say hammer, that means you usually from 1 to billions. From 1 to billions, that means hammer. 1 to 3. 1 to 3, that means hammer. So we are going to start now. So we are going to start from 0. So if you want to say 0 for Chinese language to English language, so I can show you how you can write it and then how you can speak it out into your mouth. So like now, let me touch it now so you can hear it. So 0 is means lean, that is 0.
零
You hear that? Lean,
零零
lean. So we are going to start now. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that is 10. So we are going to start from 1 to 1000. So we are going to start now. So E, that is 1. E, 1. E, 1.
一
E, 1. E is 1.
一
R is 2. R is 2.
二
R is 2.
二
Sun is 3.
三三
Sun is 3. So there is difference between si and sun. There is difference between sun and si. Sun, that is 3. Si, that is 4.
四
Si is 4.
四
4. Wu, that is 5.
五
Wu, that is 5.
五
Liu, that is 6.
六
That is 6. Qi, that is 7. 7.
七
Qi, 7. 7.
七
Ba, that is 8. Ba, 8.
八八
You see? Jiu, that is 9. Jiu, 9.
九
Jiu, 9. Jiu, 9.
九
Are you hearing? So she, that is 10. She, that is 10.
十
She,
十
understand? She, that is 11.
十一
That is 11. She, 11. She are, that is 12. She are 12.
十二
That is 12. She son, that is 13.
十三
She son, that is 13. She su, that is 14.
14 14 14
that is 14. 15 is 15. 15 15
15 15 15
that is 15. 16 that is 16. 16 16
16 16 16
16. 17 that is 17.
17 17 17
17. 18 18
18 18 18
that is 18. 19 19 19
19 19 19
19. 20 20 20
20 20 20
20 RCE that is 21.
21 21 21
RCE 21. RCR 22.
22 22 22
RCR 22.
22
RC Sun 23. RC Sun 23.
23 23 23
23.
23
RC and Sunshi if you hear Sun 3 Shi that is 0. Sunshi that means 30. Sunshi 30.
30 30 30
4 that is 4. Shi that is 0. So if you compare it all, so you can give you 4 can give you 40. That means 4
40 40
40
40
50 50 50 50 50
50 50 50
50 50
50
50 60 60 60 60 60 60 60
60 60 60
60 60 70 70 70 70 70
70 70 70
70 80 80 80
80 80 80
80 90 90 90
90 90 90
90 100 100 100
100
100 100 100 101 100 101
101 101 101
200 or 200 200 that is 200 200 200 200 200 200 300 300 300 300 300 300 400 500 500 understand 600 600 700 700 800 Jobai 900 understand 1000 1000 1000 1000
1000 1000 1000
1000 my people, so we are going to stop for there, so maybe so we will continue from another day. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and then like my YouTube channel and then write a comment if it asks me about this Chinese Hausa TV channel. As you see, I'm so from zero, you see, from zero to 1000, from 0 to 1000. So we are going to stop for there, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and then my YouTube channel is available, so you can share to other people, and then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my YouTube channel, and then do a comment for my YouTube channel. So Zaijen, goodbye.